Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can get shift lock on Roblox Mobile. So the first thing that you will have to do is click the game or select the game that you would want to play. So for example, I want to play this game. So what you will have to do is click the Roblox icon, which is right here on the left corner of your screen. And now that you're here, you will just have to click settings, and then you will go ahead and search for the shift lock. So you have to make sure that you do have that option. However, if it's not visible on mobile, it could be visible somewhere on your PC. So yeah, if it's not visible on your mobile phone, you could just get this from your PC. And yeah, so that's basically just it. You will just see it basically on your settings, and you will just have to enable it, and you can just toggle it off anytime you want. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome